customer is complaining about an oil leak from a VZ Commodore. I'll show you a little trick how to find an oil leak. Works for any car. Firstly, we need to get the vehicle up to operating temperature. I've also cleaned the engine beforehand so that I can look for any fresh oil leaks. Next thing I need to do is remove my dipstick. What? Yep, that's right, remove the dipstick. Just remove the dipstick, put it to one side for now. We now need to get the engine up to about 2000 RPM and use some compressed air. Now, I'm not going to put in a huge amount of air. I'm not even going to put it inside the dipstick. I'm going to blow it from about here because it's unregulated. If you had a regulated one, that'd be fine. But in this case, I'm just going to blow about here. I need to get it up to about 2000 RPM and then we can watch the little oil leaks. Okay, bring it up there. Just going to see if I can find a leak or two. Won't be a tick. There you go, we've got a big puddle coming down that side. That's all fresh. Where's it coming from? Is it the dipstick? Oh, it's hot. Okay, this here finger is just above the dipstick where it goes into the sump. This is just below it, so obviously there's a leak at the dipstick itself. Right there, it's dripping from whatever that is. Maybe there's an O-ring or something along those lines. I believe there's some other leaks as well out of the cam seals, but for now this is our major one. There you go, I've got the dipstick out, and as you can see, it was correct. There's a little chunk taken out of the O-ring there, so I need to replace the O-ring to get rid of that oil leak. Good technique, hey?